Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing a review of the new Fenty Moroccan eyeshadow palette. So if you guys would like to see this review, then please keep watching. Hi, I'm Robin Taylor, and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and let's get right into this video. Okay, so I'm really excited. I'm also very sleepy as well, but I'm gonna push through for you guys. I'm gonna push through. Okay, so, oh, is that smoke or flowers? Oh my gosh, I like this packaging better. I like this packaging better than the Galaxy collection, but like the Galaxy collection is still cute, but this is pretty. Oh my goodness. Yay, they're mattes and shimmers. Look at all these beautiful colors. Oh my gosh. And I like the fact that she has mirrors with her eyeshadow palettes. Okay guys, these are the swatches. So this is Moroccan Ice. Ooh, and that's a really nice white, but it has accents of like purple and it's really sparkly and shimmery. This is Shisha Smoke, and that's like a very nice gray. Then I have Suck It To Me. Then I have Evil Genie, and this is actually the blue that Rihanna wore for Wild Thoughts. This is Sahara Stunna, and this is a nice pink, like a baby pink with a champagne color in it as well. And this color is called Nuts and Dates. That's hilarious. And this is a very nice, rich shimmer purple. This is Mirage. And Mirage kind of reminds me of the Sahara Stunna, only without the pink and just the champagne, and it's super shimmery. And then this one is Fez Up, and it's a really nice, like, soft burgundy color. Only mixes, almost blends in with my skin. Good for like transitioning. And then this color right here is Quicksand. But this is a very nice peach, and it's so pretty. I actually really like this color, and it's so soft. These colors are legit like velvety. They're really nice and very soft. Then this color is called Hennessy, and it's a nice brown, but you probably won't be able to see it because obviously I'm brown. On the lid with the primer, it's probably gonna show a little better. This is Casablanca. Ooh, I like this. It's like a gold with a hint of green shimmer. Running out of space here, so let's do this. So the next one that I'm gonna swatch is Saffron, and that's a really nice color. I think this was my favorite color out of all of them. This is not completely red, it's like a dusty red, almost like orangey-ish color. And this is Desert Baked right here. And that's a very nice, like, it just reminds me of like Egyptian color. This color right here is called Spice Trip. I know, why am I doing swatches on the back of my arm that has hair on it? But whatever, run out of space. And then this color is Come and Get It. Come and Get It kind of reminds me of like a burnt, dusty orange. Last but not least is Marrakesh, and that is just absolutely gorgeous. And that's like a very bright, almost yellow golden shimmer shade. And then so in this collection she came out with, I think, an eyeshadow brush, but I didn't get that. I just got the eye primer. The eye primer was $22, and this primer is called Invisipink. I guess it's pink-ish, but then it's not really pink. And then I got the eyeliner, and the eyeliner is also like $22, I believe, and it's called Cause I'm Black. I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and prime up my lids, so I'm gonna make you guys actually come a lot closer. Come closer. Now, I didn't prime my lid with anything. I just put like concealer and then like foundation and stuff. But let's see. I don't know how much I'm supposed to use. But I guess I'm just gonna put that like this and then blend it on my eye. on my eyelid. Today, I went to the hospital with my dad. He had surgery. He's fine. It's just like cosmetic surgery. Just kidding, not cosmetic. He like hit his head and they were gonna fix it. But anyway, so like he got surgery or whatnot. So I was with him. So Mark had to go pick this up for me. And I met him at the mall. And while I was at the mall, I was like walking out. And this lady this is kind of really sticky. It's not thick at all, but it's really sticky. But this lady fell and she was like an older woman. And I felt so bad. I saw the whole thing in like slow motion. I could not grab her because she was like way too big for me to like try to catch her, but it was really sad. And I had to run to Chick-fil-A and get some ice. Raben saved the day. I like the eye primer. I like the way it smells, and I also like how like cute and little it is. I do like the packaging. It's just like the face primer. Why? Stop. 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 Okay, so it's just like the face primer that she came out with, but it's the eye primer. And I really do like the applicator because it's nice and thick. But the moment that I've been waiting for, I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I don't know the rest of the song. You guys, yesterday was my birthday, July 5th. It's okay, you can say happy belated birthday. And it was actually pretty fun. I just celebrated it with Mark and my mom. It was lit. This color right here is Spice Trip. It's calling my name. I'm gonna go into this color right here. And that's Shisha Smoke? Shisha Smoke? I don't know. But it's this color right here. It reminds me of like burnt orange on the Anastasia bit. This is literally amazing. Huh, I see the eye primer really is like sticking to my lid and not moving all over the place. And that's the first time I've had a good eye primer do that, because it's supposed to just keep things in place, you know, and blend it and make everything pigmented. But some eye primers be just all over the place and just literally are like lotion. The colors are really pigmented. The person that I put on. And then I'm gonna go into this color right here and add that to my transition color. Let's see how well this blends. Yeah. Sing my name, sing my name. Oh, I can't sing Beyonce while I'm doing a Rihanna thing. But this is really pretty. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Wow! Yo, these colors are so easy to blend. I feel like there's no point in like reviewing Rihanna's stuff because all of them turn out so good. But if I had to choose between all her collections, which one's my favorite, I say as far as like eyeshadows, this one. I do think this is better than the Galaxy. Only because I like mattes. If you like shimmers, then, you know, or like a bunch of glitters, then, you know, that's the one for you. But I really like mattes. I think I'm gonna go and add some of this color right here. And I think that is called Fez Up. I'm just gonna add that to deepen it up a bit. And then to put on the rest of my lid, I'm gonna go with this color right here, Spice Trip, and put that in the middle of my lid. Ooh. Ah, this is a really nice color. Oh yeah, I did hear that actually Rihanna wore this blue on Wild Thoughts. Maybe I might add that pop of blue in the center. Oh wow, I didn't even think that was gonna go on top. Like I wanted to put it on top, but I didn't think it would like go nicely on it, because usually when you do stuff like that, like eyeshadow just goes everywhere, but you can pile it on top of each other. But now I choose who I fear. I'm gonna go into this color right here. I think this is Moroccan or Moroccan Ice. I'm just gonna put that in a corner of my eye. For you. It's doing something for me. Just a little bit. Eyeshadow out of 10. 10 out of 10. I really like that eyeshadow. I'm not even gonna lie. Guys, sorry if I'm dry today. Like, I can't adult anymore. There's so much I'm doing when I'm adulting. Like laundry. Let me stop because I look like a moose right now. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this eyeliner, and it's because I'm black, and obviously it's probably because it's a black. Yes, thank you, Riri. Thank you. This is the eyeliner I needed. I always wanted to try an eyeliner like this. I like this eyeliner. I like it because it's not taking off my eyeshadow. It's going on top of my eyeshadow. It's not moving things around. I used to be so scared to use eyeliners like this because they would always move my eyeshadow around. There's a bit fallout right here. Nothing major though. I'm just gonna go back and clean it up. I'm gonna put some powder underneath my eyes so it doesn't mess up my concealer because I don't have time for that. I like the eyeliner. I really do. And it's really pointy, so like your line would be like at the... I don't want to put lashes on, and I don't want to put lashes on because I can't find it. I don't know where I put my lashes. We're just gonna put the... I'm gonna put the fiber lashes on. It's on Amazon. I think it was $11.99 the last time I checked, but it keeps going lower, so I'll link that down below. I also did a review on this alone, and I'll link that up here if you guys want to go check that out. Alright, so I already put my mascara on, and it's only fitting to use a highlight from Fenty. So I'm going to be using the Me Money and Hustler Baby highlighter, and this is my favorite go-to highlighter because you can always go very subtle or you can always go bam. My side, my side. I like it like that. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put some blush on, finish my face, and I'll come back. Okay, so what I can say so far about this Moroccan collection is I really do like this primer. I really do think that people should get this primer because it really does work. And all of my eyeshadows, one, they were super blendable, and you could pile other colors on top of other colors and they'll still show. It's just some type of weird concoction, man. Like, this works. Get this. $20, $22, invest in a good one, might as well. The eyeshadow palette, I think it's better than the Galaxy, to be honest. That's just my personal opinion, and the reason it's my personal opinion is because I really do like matte. And then in the Galaxy collection, it just had shimmers, so there's only, you could do very little with it, especially if you don't want to be glittery all the time. But this is a good palette to pair with the Galaxy palette because it has some mattes in there. I always went for like really cheap eyeliners like e.l.f. And everybody knows e.l.f. works, and like NYX works. But some of the pencils, or not the pencils, but the pens that I would get, like the eyeliner pens that I would get, every time I put them on my eyelid after my eyeshadow, it would always take off my eyeshadow with it. But this doesn't do that. This actually like goes very beautifully on different shadows. I think it's cute. And it has a little tip, so I want to show you how it draws. A lot of product comes out of it. It is like super liquidy, but it's not runny where it's gonna be all over the place, and it's not creamy at all, but it is a really good eyeliner. Let me see if it, yeah, I don't think it's gonna run. Nope, it's not gonna run. So it's a good eyeliner. Like, Fenty is a bit on the pricey side. For those 3 items, it was $107 after tax. I do live in Maryland. Is it worth it? If you have the money, yes. If you don't, girl, stick with what you got. Even if you get like a cheap eyeshadow palette, then, you know, at least get the primer so your shadows could look good. Yeah, guys, I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm dry today. Like, I don't want to be dry, but I'm like doing a lot of work. And you guys know what type of work I'm talking about. Like, I'm in the studio like a lot, and I'm recording a lot. I have so many unedited videos that I want to put out for you guys. But you guys will see what I do. I do have a vlog channel, and I'll link it down below. And I have a music channel that I'll link down below so you guys can check out the craziness that goes on when I'm not filming. I know you guys want to join the Taylor tribe, so go ahead and click that subscribe button. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later. Bye!
Hey.